starting of training.
Yeah.
Each person.
So more staff will be interested to join.
Yeah.
But before the end of the day, you will do palm reading for Clayton and Sherry. Let's see how long will they live. Hindi pa naman. Baka parang
Makes nice stuff for you, right?
So,
Take away ko na nga lang.
si Jen, baka
Bibigyan ko sa kiosk here, fortune telling.
Correct.
Congressman ka na eh.
Wave in your hand.
Hanggang today.
No.
Hanggang
If you
today.
pay him, it's fair. Don't pay him.
Yeah. How can I die at 95?
It's true only if you pay me. That's what it is.
No, actually, the fact is,
Okay.
I know you are not willing, but it is already in your. You believe
Gusto ko pa ng apple
that it is in you. That's
sa McDonald's.
You did not hear Joseph. I want to know the
Anong gusto niyo? Alam ko ng
Joseph!
apple. Yes, Rosalie.
Lola wants to read you. Allow for everybody.
Allowed. Really?
Yeah.
How long do I live?
No, he said I will live until 85 years old, right? But you will live longer than me. 95. You will be bedridden.
She will die poor, but you
Yeah, I will die poor.
Rich.
I will die
You will
poor.
die poor. I thought you
At
will become
95.
millionaire.
can I ask something?
Why different
When you
every
are
day?
born in poor, that's not your problem. But if you are dying poor, that's a very big problem.
Yeah, I read that in the book. I read that in the book, Bola. In e-learning, one of the courses.
still so
If
palm
I'm
reading.
poor, I want to die at 40, not at 95. I will be very poor.
Actually, this is not your final goal, final destination. As long as you
Anything
are
can change.
satisfied.
Something can change in the
It
I
depends
saw
on your,
that movie.
Once you born,
Yes.
once you born fixed, you can change it
In
to
airplane.
face figure.
The
After
future one.
born, definitely.
Have you read Beyond's future? Later. You will,
Yeah,
how long will, huh?
he cannot use the mind when he's eating. He has to finish.
He has to be hungry. Let's not feed him later. How about Joby? How long you will live?
It's against my religion.
What's your name?
Super beauty din.
You say 7? Wala namang briefing. There's no briefing na lang.
For the ASMA sa loob.
Okay.
And coaches also inside.
Coaches.
All the coaches. Maybe one by one or...
All the coaches. What's your name? 4 years na.
Who's the coach? Where are the coaches?
Tingnan natin sa isa seven.
Yun yung galing din siya. Sabi mo sa kanya, wala ka na body. Wala ka na briefing mo. Coaches, oo. Gina, dito ka? Tapos yun yung nagsabi. Yes, yun it's so. Ebu check niya po? Iya lang, unit 5. Check for the name. Ang galing, Gina. Umayay na. Umasay. Side.
When did you transfer? August 12. Barely a month ago.
Wala pa rin. Marita. Hindi ako nakapagpapay si Marita eh.
Marita, yun ang importante. Makakapagpasigla lang.
Video po.
Video ba yan?
Galaw, 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 galaw. Galaw, galaw.
Si Hazel.
Pahinga.
Nasa loob.
Sino po?
Hazel.
Hindi ko lang po. Check ko lang po.
Alin na mag-start na tayo. Asan si Hazel?
Papasok ka na, Mark.
Kato ko.
Uupo na ako. Oo, maupo na yun. Kapagod na ako. Kapagod pa.
Okay, let's go inside. Kayong dalawa mag-join na kayo dahil dapat alam niyo yung Diyan muna sila dyan.
Invite people to akala ko si CR yan. Which is this? Oo. Ayun, review si Ma. Iya, may dia check ko review. Ay, mas review. Loka. Wow. Ang pakikilala ko sa'yo. Ay, it's on the back. It's on the back. Yeah, this is access. Yes, on the back. Kapit din ang gusto. Ano? Paano kami? Oh, may circle sa kanila. Who's taking us, buddy?
Take us everywhere.
Okay, Kate.
Sorry, Joseph.
Maganda yung background na yun.
Okay, this side.
Joseph, continue now.
This side naman daw. You know, my thing.
Okay, I will put this in at your service.
Don't cover the queen.
With me? I will put it at your service.
Sit down, please.
Beyond, come here. Just a picture.
I would jump like this.
This one. 1, 2, 3. One more.
One more. I have to look thin, ha?
Yeah, you are very thin here, actually.
1, 2, 3.
1/4 of your face lang ito.
Next, third left, kailangan ko.
I know, you're so thin.
Anyone wants to take picture? We are ready, huh? It's ready here.
Thank you.
Can you put your bag here? My side, other side, this bag. This bag. Black bag. Like this. Yes.
Collecting bag.
Yeah. Good bag. Put it here now.
Okay, can I have my bag?
Where's sir?
Let's go.
Where is it?
Let's go.
Which one?
Oh, first one.
Okay.
Yung kaibigan mo Santo. Tutulog ka na, Lopez?
May hindi ba
pumunta?
Ayun, buti na lang may Charlie.
Kuya! How are you? Well done to you, huh?
Lamsi.
Kuya, we will go first in DC. We will drop them off. Then Lamsi and DC.
What lamps is this? I only drove to this. Busy. Last complete?
Yes, Kuya. Thank you. Well done, everyone.
Thank you very much.
How's our day?
Okay, guys, let's give it up for Joby. Come on. Thank you very much for your help. And next,
No more.
let's give it up for Jennifer Bugna. With double F.
Yes, with
Jennifer with double F. Jennifer. Okay, and we would like also to thank Bola Bola. Thank you very much, of course, to Benser. Come on, Benser. Who else? Thank you to Pio Pio.
Hello, the queen is here.
Okay, now let's thank the Queen Hyena. Of course, we also like to thank our sweetheart, Bjorn. And our partners in expert learning, Clayton and Cheryl. And of course, thank you to Carmela Bugna.
Stand up, please. Stand up.
Did I forget anyone?
Ako hindi mo ko pinasalamatan.
John Dexter Fuentes!
Hindi po pinasalamatan.
And Kuya Shalwar! Woo!
Come together.
Don't blind them, huh?